Good afternoon, Hutton. This is Arnold. I am out at the Koch T5 remodel that Evan Brand is doing. It's T stands for the Tower Building number 5. We're up here on the 5th floor. What Evan and the crew have been doing is as you can see, all the ceiling tiles have been taken out. They're going to get all new ceiling tiles. They're doing mechanical upgrades, doing a bunch more low voltage wiring. They've had some walls they've been torn down. We've been doing demo. It's been quite a little project these guys got going out here. We are also installing what is known as Technium panels. It's a mobile wall system that gets built from the floor to ceiling. So the floor is all new carpet, so they just build right on top of the carpet. Our guys have been trained on this. Josh Bassett, Nate Woods went to Canada to do actual training with the facility. These guys have just started this part of the building, getting started with it. We're going to walk over to where Nate and them are at and let them do a little explaining of how this really works.
Okay, basically this is an extrusion product that allows Koch or whatever company that we're using or is purchasing it to adjust their offices as needed. Basically you have a shell of a floor and you put the system together any way that you want it.
Talk about all the parts that are involved.
Okay, right now we're looking at the insulation that goes in between the panels and the wall system. All that's cut to fit. Glass panels in the back for glass fronts across the office, or you can have a completely full glass office. All this stuff that you see sitting here is the metal studs that create the wall system that fall into a base track that's on the floor and a top track that's attached to the grid and the ceiling. And once all that stuff's fastened in and leveled, then you can start putting in your panels and your windows and doors.
Talk about our finished walls.
And this, of course, is what the finished product looks like. Full view glass with sliding barn doors, which aren't installed yet, and one hinged full glass door, which will be glass from top to bottom with no metal around it, which is pretty neat.
And what are the other things that we want to talk about that Evan has introduced to the job site out here is something to do with safety. That is something new that nobody's tried. This is all Evan's idea, and I'm going to let Josh explain a little bit of that also.
Okay, so every day we give somebody the job to take notes and witness anything that might be a safety issue or is a safety issue. And if they find it that it is, they correct it immediately, but then we talk about it at the end of the day. And every day it's a different person that's assigned to do this, and every day we talk about something new to keep everybody aware. And also every morning when we have our morning meeting, we go over who's going to do this, and we each come out with one safety idea or something that we've witnessed that we can do better at.
Very good. Well, this is the Koch T5 remodel. There'll be more to come later. They're just getting started with the wall system. They got quite a ways to go, and they're doing a fantastic job. Thanks, Hutton.